Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Student Chopal. I hope your preparation is going well. Today we are going to discuss second part of CBI APP 2015 exam. If you did not watch our first part, go and watch them first. Before starting the video, I request to all of you please subscribe the channel, do like, comment and share with your friends. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Question number 41 is A and B have been accused of an offense where the accused person had no intention of causing the death of anyone and no injury was found on the deceased which was sufficient to cause death in the ordinary course of nature. As per medical opinion, the injuries were not likely to cause death. It could not be established as to which of the two accused inflicted injuries on the head of the deceased. The accused should be liable to be convicted under, and correct option number A. Section 326 of the Indian Penal Code read with Section 34 for voluntarily causing grievous hurt. Next question number 42. In Dhananjay Chatterjee vs. State of West Bengal, the accused raped a young girl and murdered her. The punishment awarded by the Supreme Court of India to the accused was option A, death penalty, option B, life imprisonment, option C, 10 years imprisonment, which is the minimum sentence awarded for aggravated forms of rape, option D, life imprisonment and a community service order, and correct option number A, death penalty. Next question number 43. Which one of the following is not an essential element of the defense of accident under the Indian Penal Code? Option A, absence of criminal intention or knowledge. Option B, act must be lawful. Option C, means must be lawful. Option D, act must be done with due attention. And correct option number D, act must be done with due attention. Next question number 44. Under the Indian Penal Code, nothing is said to be done or believed in good faith. Which is done or believed? Option A, without attention. Option B, dishonestly. Option C, without proper care and caution. Option D, without due care and attention. And correct option number D, without due care and attention. Next 45. In which one of the following cases the Supreme Court had declared that Section 309 of the Indian Penal Code is not unconstitutional and is not violative of Article 21 and Article 14 of the Constitution? Option A, P. Ratinam's case. Option B, Chenna Jagdishwar case. Option C, G.N. Kaur's case. Option D, Sanjay Kumar's case. And correct option number C, G.N. Kaur case. Next question number 46. During inquiry or trial under Section 309 of Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, a magistrate can remand the accused for a maximum period of option A, 1 month at a time. Option B, not exceeding 15 days at a time. Option C, not exceeding 10 days at a time. Option D, 30 days. And correct option number B, not exceeding 15 days at a time. Next 47. A person accused of an offence before a criminal court or against whom proceedings are instituted under the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 has a right to be defended by a pleader. Option A, appointed by the central government. Option B, appointment by the court. Option C, of his own choice. Option D, appointed by the state government. And correct option C, of his own choice. Next 48. An order for custody and disposal of property passed under Section 451 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 is option A, an interlocutory order. Option B, a final order. Option C, a directory order. Option D, a temporary order. And correct option number A, an interlocutory order. Next 49. Which one of the following statements is not correct in relation to medical examination of an arrested person under the provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option A. An accused may be asked to undergo medical examination under Section 53. Option B. Medical examination of a person accused of rape is conducted under Section 53A. Option C. An arrested person can submit an application to the magistrate for the medical examination under Section 54. Option D. Request of the arrested person for the medical examination cannot be rejected by the magistrate under Section 54. And correct option D. Request of the arrested person for the medical examination cannot be rejected by the magistrate under Section 54. Next 50. Which one of the following is a fundamental right that has been incorporated in Section 300 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option A. Principle of outre fois convict and outre fois acquit. Option B. Rules for apprehension by public prosecutor. Option C. Exceptions to the charge of murder. Option D. Rules for grant of permission to conduct prosecution. And correct option number A. Next 51. Maintenance under Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 cannot be claimed by option A wife who has obtained divorce from her husband. Option B. A wife living separately by mutual consent. Option C. A wife refusing to live with her husband owing to his extremely abusive and violent behavior. Option D. All illegitimate minor child. And correct option B. A wife living separately by mutual consent. Next 52. Which one of the following statement is not correct as per the provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? And correct option number A. Summons issued by a court under this code shall be in writing in duplicate signed by the officers of High Court and shall bear the seal of the court. Next 53. As per the provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, the court is empowered to summon any person as a witness. Option A. Only at the stage of inquiry and trial. Option B. Only at the stage of trial. Option C. Only at the stage of inquiry or other proceedings. Option D. At any stage of inquiry, trial or other proceeding. And correct option number D. At any stage of inquiry, trial or other proceedings. Next 54. All evidences taken in the course of the trial or other proceedings must be taken in the presence of option A. The accused only. Option B. The accused and his pleader. Option C. The accused or when his personal attendance is dispensed with in the presence of his pleader. Option D. The accused and a magistrate. And correct option number C. Next 55. When an accused person is pardoned under Section 306 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, he option A becomes a witness for the prosecutions. Option B becomes an ordinary witness. Option C should be examined as a witness first in the trial court. Option D becomes a witness for the defense. And correct option number A becomes a witness for the prosecutions. Next 56. Which one of the following statement is not correct with regard to the provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? And correct option number C. If the proclaimed offender does not appear before the court within 2 years from the date of publications of the proclamation his property shall be confiscated by the state. Next, 57. A warrant of arrest may be executed. Option A, only at the place where the offence is committed. Option B, only in the state where the offence is committed. Option C, at any place in India. Option D, at any place in India but having validity only for 24 hours. And correct option C, at any place in India. Next, 58. A person arrested has a right to be informed of the grounds of his arrest. Option A, in brief only. Option B, in brief in English and Hindi language. Option C, in details. Option D, in detail and in the language understood by the accused. And correct option number D, in detail and in the language understood by the accused. Next, 59. Upon acquittal, a co-accused can be option A witness for the prosecutions only, option B, a witness for the defense only, option C, a witness for the prosecution as well as for the defense, option D, an informal witness. And correct option C, a witness for the prosecution as well as for defense. Next, question number 60. If the accused pleads guilty, the judge has option A, no discretion to convict him, option B, the discretion to convict him, option C, the discretion to convict him after recording his plea, option D, the discretion to convict him depending upon corroboration of evidence. And correct option C, the discretion to convict him after recording his plea. Next, question number 61. A person arrested by police must be produced before the judicial magistrate who has the jurisdiction. If the judicial magistrate is not available, the accused can be produced before option A, any other judicial magistrate, option B, any executive magistrate, option C, any executive magistrate who is so empowered, option D, district magistrate. And correct option C, any executive magistrate who is so empowered. Next, 62. In which one of the following cases the Supreme Court has recently laid down that registration of FIR is in cognizable offences is mandatory? Option A, D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal. Option B, Lalita Kumari versus Government of UP. Option C, Madhuwala versus Suresh Kumar. Option D, Sakiri Vasu versus State of UP. And correct option B, Lalita Kumari versus Government of UP. Next, question number 63. Which one of the following is not correct in respect of recording of confession under section 164 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option A, it must be voluntary. Option B, it must be recorded by the magistrate. Option C, it must be recorded by the judicial or metropolitan magistrate. Option D, accused must be told of his freedom not to speak against himself. And correct option number B, it must be recorded by the magistrate. Next, 64. Where two courts subordinate to two different high courts have taken the cognizance of the same offence, a question related to which of the subordinate court can inquiry or try into the offence shall be directed by option A, parties concerned, option B, session court of the two subordinate courts, option C, the high court within whose appellate jurisdiction the proceeding were first commenced, option D, the Supreme Court. And correct option C. Next, 65. One magistrate got information from a person and referred the same to concerned police station to investigate the matter. The investigation report submitted by the police shall be treated by the magistrate as option A report under section 173 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Option B, a complaint under section 200 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Option C, an inquiry by the court. Option D, it depends upon the discretion of the court. And correct option A report under section 173 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Next, 66. X causes the death of Y. After conclusion of investigation, police submitted the report under section 173 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Cognizance can be taken in this case by option A, the Court of Sessions. Option B, the Court of Magistrate who has jurisdiction. Option C, the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate. Option D, any of the Court of Magistrate of second class. And correct option B, the Court of Magistrate who has jurisdiction. Next, 67. Which one of the following is not correct? Option A, court may alter or add charge any time before the pronouncement of judgment. Option B, there shall be separate charge for distinct offences. Option C, any number of offences of same kind in a year can be charged together. Option D, offences are of same kind when they are punishable with same amount of punishment. And correct option C, any number of offences of same kind in a year can be charged together. Next, 68. An accused can be discharged by the option A, magistrate who takes the cognizance. Option B, court which has competence to try the case. Option C, police. Option D, chief judicial magistrate or court of session. And correct option B, court which has competence to try the case. Next, 69. Plea bargaining is permitted where option A, punishment provided is imprisonment for more than 7 years. Option B, offense is committed against a woman or a child under 14 years of age. Option C, offense is related to the Cinematograph Act 1952. Option D, offense is under section 153 and 160 of the Indian Penal Code. And correct option D, offense is under section 153 and 160 of the Indian Penal Code. Next, 70. The compounding of an offense as per section 320 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 shall have the effect of option A, discharge. Option B, conviction. Option C, acquittal. Option D, dropping of charge. And correct option C, acquittal. Next, 71. When a witness shall be compelled to answer a question is decided by the option A, public prosecutor. Option B, advocate of the accused. Option C, court. Option D, witness himself. And correct option C, court. Next, 72. Hostile witness is a witness who, option A, gives evidence in favor of the party that called him. Option B, does not speak the truth. Option C, gives evidence in favor of the opposite party. Option D, refuse to give evidence. And correct option C, gives evidence in favor of the opposite party. Next, 73. Oral evidence given in a court. Option A, may be presumptive. Option B, must be indirect. Option C, may be deductive. Option D, must be direct. And correct option D, must be direct. Next, 74. Which one of the following evidence may not be admissible in a court of law? Option A, by a spouse as regard their communication. Option B, by a liar against his client made for illegal purpose. Option C, by a dumb person. Option D, by an accomplice. And correct option A, by a spouse as regards their communication. Next, 75. Court for the purpose of Indian Evidence Act does not include option A, judge, option B, magistrate, option C, arbitrator, option D, person legally authorized to take evidence. And correct option C, arbitrator. Next, 76. The case of Sarat Chandra De versus Gopala Chandra Saha deals with option A, identification parade, option B, estoppel, option C, parole evidence rule, option D, competency of witnesses. And correct option number B, estoppel. Next, 77. Statement made in police custody by the accused amounts to confession when option A, that part of the statement which leads to the recovery of the object, option B, the statement is made voluntarily, option C, the statement is made in the presence of the other party, option D, the statement is made while undergoing medical treatment. And correct option A, that party of the statement which leads to the recovery of the object. Next question, 78. Oral admission as to contents of electronic records are relevant when the genuineness of the option A, electronic record produced is in question, option B, digital signature on electronic record produced is in question, option C, custody of electronic record is in question, option D, digital signature certificate is in question. And correct option number A, electronic record produced is in question. Next question, 79. No judge or magistrate can be compelled to answer any question as to his own conduct in court as such judge or magistrate except upon the special order of option A, High Court, option B, Supreme Court, option C, court to which he is subordinate, option D, court having administrative control over him. And correct option C, court to which he is subordinate. Next and last question. Leading question can be asked in option A, examination in chief even if objected to by the adverse party, option B, re-examination even if objected to by the adverse party, option C, any examination even if not objected, option D, cross-examination. And correct option D, cross-examination. That's all for today guys. See you in the next video with the rest of the question. Thank you.